Alright, y'all, back on another stream. Today is Howl's Scream SeaWorld, and we're doing all 5 houses today, so hope you all enjoy. Halloween Horror Nights was last. It was amazing. Now, hope you enjoy Howl's Scream. We're going in our first scare zone.
Trying to run me over. You see that now? You got wheels. The walking one tried to run me over. Hi. Welcome to the carnival. How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Fun. Thank you for asking. You're polite. You can stay.
Thank you. See, they interact with you. Oh. Woo! 5 bucks.
Oh boy. Where's my mommy? Drop your phone. What's wrong with you? All right.
Ew.
You smell moist.
Oh, wow. Ew. Other side. Hello. We got a popcorn stand over here.
You want some popcorn?
Sure.
All right, it's gonna cost an arm and a leg. Get it?
Huh?
Arm and a leg.
Oh, okay. Goodbye. Excuse me. Woo! Alright, that was it. Alright, we're going into our backyard. Oh, they already see us. Woo! They already see us. What's going on? Alright, here we go. We got the vampire scare zone. Hello. Woo! I figured someone's gonna come out right here. It's gonna be true, yep. Oh yeah, that's a good scare. Okay. Woo! I'll keep my eyes. Whoa.
It's like someone likes the
Thank you. Alright, we're going in the ultimate gamble. Here we go. I go first. Oh my god.
Right around the board. We're not gonna play no games.
Nah. Maybe.
Hey!
Mom! Mom! Get here! Roll in. Sorry. Thank you. Right at the exit.
Facility. 200 feet. 300 feet. 400 feet. Power failure. Engaging emergency brakes.
Wait. Don't move. No, it's not working. We have to evacuate one by one. With caution, it's floor 666.
All right, good. Bob, you're good. Exit the elevator to your left. That will take
Left.
you to the station.
Thank you. Wow.
Hey, you can't be in the boiler room. It's dangerous down here. Move.
Alright, alright, alright. Oh. Oh, hello. Oh, wow. Oh, it's what's going on? Woo! Oh, that kind of hurt. Oh, great. Where are you? Oh, there's an opening right. Oh, there's also an opening. Woo! Oh God.
Rod system failure. Use extreme caution.
Oh,
Get out of here while you can.
oh my gosh. Woo! Woo! Oh, whoa.
Let's go.
I'm trying.
Move, let's go. Move your
I'm
ass.
trying.
Keep going.
I'm
Keep
going.
going.
I'm going, sir. Oh my God.
Hold on if you need to.
Oh.
Move it, move it.
Oh, holy shit. Woo! Oh, that's cool. And I think we're out. Oh my God. All right, it's gotten darker. We went through our first two houses. Our next one is the Toxic Turmo. Now this house, not house, Scare Zone looks pretty cool. The sets are amazing. Going through. Oh wow. Oh.
What are you doing here? You gotta get out, please.
Okay.
Save yourself.
Okay. Woo! Ew. Is that a guy on stilts? Please tell me that's a guy on stilts. There. You are very good at staying still. Woo. Oh, you're following me. Okay. Ooh. Come in here. We're going through. Oh, look. Whew. So this goes on some good detail. I love it. And our last step out, I need one more scare. Oh, into the fog too. Oh, that fog smoke might be better than Halloween Horror Nights. Oh, wow. Look at this. Is there supposed to be a scare in there? I hope there is. Oh, hello. Alright, and we are out. Farm 51 next. It's about aliens. Oh yeah, we enter here. Alright, we're going through our next house. Aliens. Oh, and it's so great in the dark. Woo!
Oh my god.
First scare already. I hate the silence. Oh my god. Shush, I can do whatever. Yep, it's an alien house. Did you not know? I swear there's a scare after here on YouTube.
What are you doing filming on my farm?
Huh?
How about if I chop off that hand for you?
Alright.
Come on, get in there.
I better not hear no chainsaws. Oh my god. Woo! The wall's moving. Woo! You're moving again. I better not be.
Get over there.
I better not be hearing no chainsaw. There is a chainsaw. Let me see that chainsaw. Yeah, let me see that chainsaw. Woo! Oh yeah, look at this water tower. We're going inside the farm. Are you ready? Oh, someone's gonna be right here. I already know it. Oh, bungee jumper. Woo! Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, we have an alien over here. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Whoa. There's a bunch of aliens here. And a TV, which I definitely know what's going to happen.
Aliens were part of the cable package. Get out of here.
That's how you show an alien. Right there. Oh, what the? We got a wall that's moving. Oh, yeah, open that door. Oh, wait, what the? Sigma effect. Woo! Oh my god.
Guys, you're right on time. They're gonna beat you. Y'all, we're taking too long.
I'm trying. Oh, good lord. Oh. Woo! Ow! Oh no. Boy. And we're out. Alright, we're going on to healthcare wellness, I think that's what it's called. I don't know for sure, but look at this facade. We're walking up a ramp. Oh my god, and we're gonna get scared right here. Oh, I hate that it's dark in here. Oh my god. Woo!
What is that about? It's your room. Don't mind when she gets excited with new patients right this way.
Thank you. Where are we? Oh.
Welcome. This is a safe space.
Are you
I
sure?
assure you there's nothing to be frightened of as
Okay.
long as we listen to the siren song.
Alright.
Please let me out.
Where are we? Oh my god, we have a house to ourselves. Holy crap. Oh my god. Look at our faces here. Woo! Wow. We get hit by UV needles.
Get you.
Holy shit.
Let me out.
Wait, am I supposed to go this way? Where am I supposed to go? Oh. Am I supposed to go this way? Where am I supposed to go? I'm sorry, I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Holy shit. I don't know where I'm supposed to. Oh, wow. Oh, oh, hell.
This is your last chance for treatment. You
No.
did nothing
Oh my god. More, whatever it says. Holy. Where are we? Woo! Oh my god. We have made it. I thought it was longer than that. I swear there's scare actors here.
I
Yep, they
need
are.
help with my garden.
Alright.
That was the best one I think.
Yeah. Going into Paradise Palms where you check in but you can't check out.
I can't see anything.
That's good. That's what the experience is supposed to be. Now let's go in. We already did what? We already did 4 houses already. Whew. Thank you. Housekeeping. That's how fog should smell. Oh yeah, we slowed down. Get off my lawn! Where are we going through? I can't see a thing. I'm gonna follow this guy right here. What's behind me? Is there someone? Oh, hello. And we got one more over here. Oh, shovel too. Hello. And yeah, let's go to our next scare zone. And we're going through another scare zone. Sorry. It's called Terrors of the Deep. I think it's like some sort of Medusa house. Let's get a good chance to look at this creature over here. Whoa, we got Mako passing by. See, I don't know which is, okay, I know you're scared. Woo! Wow, 2 on the same ones. I'm gonna go my own.
I'm the captain.
Oh, look at this pirate ship. The dude was getting a little too close. Look at this. Alright, our last house is right here. The Atlantis house. We got a guy on stilts. Look at this. Alright, we're going through our last house. The what's it called? Atlantis. The Atlantis house. Woo!
It's not safe. Turn around while you can. Get out.
Okay.
Get out. Beware, Flora!
Woo! Someone's gonna be
Don't go.
Sorry. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Oh, great. I did not see one of them. Woo! I just swear to split up. Are you ready, Mom? Mom, this is where we're splitting up. Where are you going? Right or left? Where are you going? Right or left? See which way. Alright. My mom will go right. I'll go left. See ya. Hey, how you doing, Mom? Yeah, that's great. Hey, Mom. Oh my God, look at these skeleton stuff. I feel like someone's about to pop up right there. Nope. Oh my God. Woo! Very compact walls. Oh, wow. Woo! Look at that.
Servants of the sea are called. Devour all dead.
Don't come here! Jeez. probably another scare actor's gonna be right there. Nope, never mind. We got a bungee jumper. Woo! Woo! Oh, he didn't make it. He definitely did not. I hate that it's so quiet. Ew. Oh my god. Whoa, what's going on here? Oh, a bunch of skeletons in here. We have no idea when the scare actor is about to pop up. Maybe it's about to pop up right now. One of y'all are real. You. Woo. Where are we? Oh. Whoa. His face is ripped apart. Woo! Is that a heart? Oh, we're getting a little deep and scary right now. Oh my god. How's this house? My heart is gonna be scarier than this. They're using the exact same material. Woo! Look at that! Wow. Someone's supposed to be over here? Wow. All hail the queen. Woo. Wow. And we are out. That was a great house. We are going back through the pirate scare zone. Hello. Do I hear?
Fair enough.
Hello.
That's right.
Are you guys gonna do that house or not? We're gonna keep walking.
Yeah. That. Yeah, pirate right here, I think. Whoa, it's so hard to see through. Woo! Hello. Oh. Hi. I think that part liked you. I think that part liked you. Didn't he like it? Well, we did the whole 5 houses. Definitely going through some again because it's like 8 o'clock right now. I definitely hear some chainsaws coming up over here, so let's do that. We have a chainsaw guy right here. How many do they have right here? I smell the chainsaw. There he is, right there. I know. Alright. I guess we're... Hell. We're going inside the cannibal. We have ourselves a chainsaw right here. And he's not even getting me with the chainsaw. What's going on? Alright, one of y'all. Chainsaw it up. Yes. Here's our last scare zone. I think it's our last scare zone. Yep, it definitely is. We are here. Wow. Okay, let's see. Let's get a good look at this. Let's get a good look at this scare zone.
Oh, hi there.
Hello.
You want to buy some?
Sure, what do you have?
Alright. So we have to raise prices because of the hurricane, but you know.
Oh, yeah.
$7.99 for anything on the table, $40 for the catch of the day. If you don't got money, we take arms, and if you don't want to give a part of you, you can always kill him. Kill him. Do it. Now, you want to play a game?
Sure. Go over here. Not out of the woods yet. We're still going through.
Nice ears. How about them?
Woo! I think this is where this is where you got the tickets last time for the scream. I see Icebreaker running over there. I think so. And I don't think there's any more scare actors here, so let's go.